Hey guys, tightest for truckers over here, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a super tight right turn. You first start off with making sure your truck and trailer are less than a foot away from the curb, but you don't want it up against the curb, because what you're going to do is you're going to pull past to where you can't make the turn, and then you're going to back up until your truck and trailer are almost at a 90, and then you're going to pull close along the curb. So I'm a little bit more than a foot away, so first I'm going to start off by turning a little bit to the left, just like this, and making sure, well, that's pretty close, so I'm going to start straightening it out. And like I said, now that I'm a foot from the curb right there, I'm going to just keep going straight out as far as I can. Now this takes experience, and especially when you got a long hood like this, you need a lot of experience to know exactly what arc your truck is going to take, and then go straight like 3 or 4 feet farther, and where you're going to run up on the curb. But get right up to the curb, do not run up on it. Be real careful. But you'll see, I'll start making this curb turn. See that curb right there, and I'm right up to the curb now. You can see I got plenty of room on this, but for this demonstration, just imagine it's even tighter than that. What we're going to do is we're going to turn the wheel all the way the other way, making a left turn there, a right turn here. If it was a left turn, do the opposite. We're just going to cock the trailer back just a little bit to where we can completely make the turn. And if this is super tight, you might have to do it a couple times. See, I'm getting close to the curb again. And if you do it right, you can get your truck and trailer at almost a 90-degree angle and take the turn really close. But as you can see, plenty of room on this turn. Did not have to do that, and you could just hug the curb as tight as you can, but got plenty of room on this side now. I'll show you doing a left turn a little bit quicker now. See, making this right turn, I had to run up on the curb a little bit, but as you can see, less than a foot away from that curb. We'll pull straight out as far as we can, where we're almost going to hit that light. As you can see, less than a foot away from that curb. Normally we'd start turning now if we wanted to make that turn, but we're going to overshoot it just a little bit, go 3 more feet, cut it, and so we're going to nose up to that pole just like this. And you're going to think, oh Matt, you're never going to get out of this mess. Well, we're going to back up here. About 3 feet. And then you're going to turn it this way again. I'm going to miss that sign, but there's a little yard there. Don't want to run up on the grass, be unprofessional. We're going to miss that mailbox. And we're going to be able to just barely cut it. I mean, I couldn't put my finger between me and the curb right now. I just know from experience. And we got to make a choice. Do we want to run up in this guy's manicured lawn, run over that curb just a tad, just run over that curb nice and slow, miss that mailbox, and that's how it's done.